Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max online class. So in the previous class, we did textbook sums and I completed the classworks and we gave the revision and we have practiced for the test and you wrote the test. Have you all written the test? I think you all written well, isn't it? It was easy only, isn't it, children? Yes. So now, after the test, we are going to continue the class today. So first today I'll do the textbook sums. Okay, classwork we have completed now portion. Later on we'll do the next month portion. Today I'm going to do the textbook sums. So keep ready, Max textbook. Page number 95. Up to 94 I have finished. Keep ready, textbook page number 95. Okay, today I'm doing textbook sums. Page number 95, keep ready. Chapter 94 we have finished, isn't it? So we'll start continuing from 95 page number. Have you kept open? Yes, keep ready, textbook, pencil in the hand and understand and do with me. Shall I start? Yes. In the page number 95, see this yellow color box is there now? Yellow color box, I'm doing that sums. Write the missing number. Some numbers are missed here in the circles. We have to fill up that. Okay. I'm copying the questions, but inside the yellow box, for you, questions are written, numbers are written in the circle, only few numbers are missed. That correct answers I'll write on the board, you copy it correctly. Okay. So like this, it's given, isn't it? Which numbers are missed? You have to fill the correct numbers in the circle. See first sum. 7 plus 2 equals, it should write vice versa of this. Vice versa means ulta. Ulta you should write. See, 7 plus 2 is there now. That only you should write it as 2 plus 7. Okay, this only you should write it ulta. Ulta means like vice versa. Vice versa means this ulta you should write. Okay. 7 plus 2 is given. Here 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. 7 plus 2 equals 2 plus 7. Both are same, isn't it? See? 1 plus 0 equals 0 plus 1. Both are same now. Like that only. You should do this main. Okay, next. This side it's given, see. 4 plus 3. Here 3 plus, what I should write here? Which number is missing? 4 is missing. Okay. 3 plus 4 equals 4 plus 3, both are same. 3 plus 4, otherwise 4 plus 3. Next, third sum. 3 plus 6. Which number is missing? 6. 6 is written. 3 is missing. 6 plus 3 equals 3 plus 6. Both are same, okay? 6 plus 3 equals 3 plus 6. Yes. Next, 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Otherwise, 2 is written. Which number is missing? 4. 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2, otherwise 2 plus 4, both are same. Okay, next 5 plus 2. Which number is written? 5 is written. 2 is missing, right here 2. Then read 5 plus 2 equals 2 plus 5. Understand how to do this main? Yes, this is from page number 95. Write the missing numbers. Numbers, write it correctly. How to do it? You understood now? I told no. 7 plus 2, otherwise 2 plus 7. 3 plus 4 equals 4 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equals 3 plus 6. 4 plus 2 equals 2 plus 4. 5 plus 2 equals 2 plus 5. Both are same. Understand? Now we'll move to the page number 96. Page number 96. Shall I raise this page number 95 sums? Have you understood? Yes, now keep ready. Page number 96. Page number 96, keep read. Okay. Count and add. What is there in the page number 96? See, count and add. You should count the pictures, what they're given, and write and do the addition. First sum, they are only done. Hat pictures are given here in the first sum, isn't it? Hat pictures are there. Yes. Count it. How many are there? How many hat or cap? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 are there. In the first line, 5 is there. 5 is written. And second line, 3 are there. 3 they are written. And they are add and written. Total 8. We'll do the second sum. How many Coca-Cola bottles are there? See, how many Coca-Cola bottles? In the first line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. Okay, they're given here boxes, isn't it? First sum, they're only done, isn't it? First sum they have done. We will do the second sum. Second sum, how many Coca-Cola bottles? 6 plus 3. Total, how much you should add? 6 in the mind. Do you remember how to do addition? Yes, 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, pictures. It's printed in your textbook already, so I am not drawing here. Next, lock. How many locks are there? See, third picture. How many locks are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 locks. In the second line also, 4 locks. Second line also, 4 locks. Like this box is given now, I should write in the 4 locks. Second line also 4 locks. Then do the addition. 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, third sum. What is that? What is there inside the mug? Popcorn, isn't it? That is. What is that? Yes. How many mugs are there in the first line? See, 1, 2. Count in your book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. How many mugs? 6 are there. And in the second line, how many mugs? 4 mugs. Count now. 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where you should write? Have you understood, children? Here. Here you should count the picture. And here boxes are given now. Boxes. There inside that you should write. First sum they have done. See. So you will understand how to do the next, second, third, fourth sum. Okay. This is second sum, third, fourth sum. Fifth sum. I'm doing here last sum, but in your book it's printed in the same page. See, how many? What is that? Rat picture is there? No, see, in the last sum, rat picture. Yes, count now. How many rats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rats. 7 rats in the first line. Second line, 2 rats. Total how many? That you should count it. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7. 8, 9. Total how many rats? 9 rats. Understood how to do page number 96 sums? Yes. Now keep ready. Page number 97. Shall I erase this? Just you should count and write it, children, this way. Add the following. Page number. Which page number now? Page number 97. Page number 97. Keep ready. This page, children. Page number 97. Addition is there given. See, add the following. So addition you know very well. That only you should do now. Add the following. In the first line, yellow color boxes are given now. The first line sums. I'm copying the questions. Should I make it understand? No, that's it is given like this. In your book, it's there. These questions, check it in the first line of page number 97. Is it given in the first line? Yes. Next, come to the second line. Blue color box. It is there. See, second. One plus three, then 6 plus 3. All questions I focus. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2. Next, third line. Third line sums. It's given in the green color. See, 2 sums are there. 5 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 3. So, shall we start writing the answers? Shall I start from the first line? See, first line, first sum, 5 plus 3, it's given. Do addition now. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Next, 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. Next, 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. Have you copied first line sums? Next, keep ready the second line. Yes. Shall I start, children? Second line. Have you finished? Yes. First line answers have you copied correctly? Come to the second line. 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6. After 6, how much? 7, 8, 9. Next. 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand how to do? Page number 97. Sums addition. First main. This is first main. Next, get ready. Second main. Same page. It's given second main. See. Shall I erase this? Yes. 97 page, have you copied? 5 plus 3, 8. Check the question and copy the correct question. 7 plus 2, what is there? 6. 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. See the question and write the answers correctly. Second line, 1 plus 3, 4. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. Have you written all these sums answers? Shall I move to second main now? How to do addition, you know. Now keep it in mind and figure and count. Now same page, second main. Second main. Meeta has how many cats? 2 cats. Geeta has, these sums we are written in the class works, isn't it? First sum, they are only finished. Second sum, Jim has how many crayons? 3 crayons. See, this side it's given. Jim has given now 3. 3 pencils, pictures also given there. I'll not write full questions on this. First one I'm just showing this. Jolly. Jim has how many crayons? 3. You should write here in the box. 3 boxes given. See. Second. Dolly has. Given now here question. Dolly has how many crayons? 4. These all you don't write. This all it's printed in your book. Just you should write here in the box answers. Then count. Total how many together? How many crayons? 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand? Next. Down only it's given another 2 sums. Ricky has 3 red balloons. So Ricky has how many balloons? 3 red balloons. Balloon picture is given now. 3 red balloons. How many blue color balloons? 4. You should fill the answers in the boxes. Here. Don't get confusion here. Second main, this main I am doing now. First main afterwards. So count now. 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balloons? 7 balloons. Totally 7 balloons. Next. There are 5 children in a row in the first row. First row means first line. See, this sum I am doing now, last sum. How many children are there in the first row? 5. Right here, 5 in the box. Second row, how many children? 4 children. Answers they are only printed. See, last sum they have printed the answers. Isn't it? 9. 9 is printed already. You can check and count it. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that. Okay. Next. Have you finished this page means you can move to the next page. That is page number 98. Page number 98. Have you opened children? 98 page number. Shall I erase this? Yes. Keep ready. Page number 98. Page number 98. In page number 98, down it's given, see here, red, blue, green circles, that I am doing now. Down, page number 98. For some, they are only done. How to do, I'll show. Then only you can do this. Then I'll explain, children. Then only you'll understand. You just wait for the copy the questions. To keep ready this page number by that time correctly and pencil in the hand. Yes. How they have done this? This is also addition only. See how to add means? First these two numbers. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. That only they have written here answer. Next these two numbers. Okay. Now you added these two. Now these two numbers. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. That only they have written here. These two answers here. These two numbers answer what we got, they have written here. Next, these two numbers. 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. That only written here. Next, 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 3, 4. That answer only written here. These two numbers. Understand? Like that only. First sum, they have only written the answer. Second sum, they are given circles blank here. Isn't it? That you should fill up. How to do? See. First, these two numbers. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. You can do like this also. 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. Anyhow, 4 in the mind or 2 in the 2 plus 4 or 4 plus 2. We did not in the previous page like that. Next, these two numbers. 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. After 4, 5. Understood? Next, these two numbers. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? Next, 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 answer right here. These two numbers what we got answer right here. 4 plus 3 answer 7 here. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. Understood? Same page. One more circle is there. Isn't it? That is third sum. Third sum circle. Color is this. Same page. This sum I'm writing now. Third sum. First, second finish. Third sum. Okay. Third sum. Same page. Third sum. Shall I start? This is third sum from same page number. Green color circle is there now that I am doing. Now add these two. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. This answer, write in this circle, 7. Next, these two numbers. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, these two numbers. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, 5 plus 1. How much? 6. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. Understand, children? Now, same sums are there in the page number 99 also. Keep ready now. Excuse me. Page number 99. Shall I erase this? Yes, page number 99. Keep ready. Yes, page number 99. I'll do in the next class, children. Up to page number 98 you do today. Okay, we started from 96, 97 and 98. Isn't it? Today we did from 95, 95, 96, 97 and 94 pages we did today. So that's enough. I'll continue 99 page next class. You should start from 95, 96, 97 and 98. These pages we did today, isn't it? 4 pages also. It should be completed in your textbook. So this homework I'll give. So test all over now. So today I was to do the homework. So copy the homework name. In your homework books only you are doing, not children homeworks? Yes. Yes. Right now, max homework. Today's max homework. Today's max homework is what? Subtract. Today's max homework, subtract. Subtraction sums. How to do, you know now, subtraction sums? I'll show one sum. Remaining you do. How to do subtract? What is this heading? All these days you're doing addition. Addition sums you know now. Now we'll start with the subtraction sums in the homework. We did in the classwork and all. Isn't it? Subtract. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. Subtract. Subtraction. How to do? 6 minus 2. How to read this? 6 minus 2. Symbol is important. Isn't it? For addition we'll use plus. For subtraction we'll use minus. What is this? Minus. 6 minus 2. How to do? 6. Keep it 6 fingers. Fold how many? 2 fingers fold. What's the balance? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. Right here, 4. Like this also I can do. Otherwise, draw. 6 is there means 6 circles. 2 is there. 2 cut it. Count balance. How much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That only. Keeping finger and fold. That also I can do. Otherwise, draw circles and cut it. That also I can do. One sum I have shown. Remaining 4 sums you should do. Okay. Once I'll tell. See, 8. Minus 5. Keep 8 fingers. Fold how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balance? 3. 1, 2, 3 balance. You should write here. I'll not write because this is homework. One sum I'll show. You should do the other sums. Homework means. Isn't it? Next. 5. Keep 5 fingers. Fold how many? Fold 2 fingers. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3. Right here. Next 7 fingers. Keep 7 fingers. Fold 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the balance? 3. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 fingers keep. Minus 6 means fold all the 6. What's the balance? 0. That you should write. Okay. Do these sums for today's homework. And textbook sums I did 4 pages. That also completed. In the next class, I'll continue the next page sums. Thank you, children.